Everything you see wasn't me.
Well, because I only had the car for like a year and it sits most of the time, so it can't be me. Welcome back to the DIY Del Sol restoration project brought to you by Resin Auto Co. My name is Erica, and my 1995 Honda Del Sol is about to reveal a big old rust removal project in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yikes.
Yeah? Yep, it's not good. As my friend Jerry digs around in there to clear out the area so that I can absolutely schmurder the rust with a sandblaster, I'll get suited up, and top heavy ladies, you gotta...
So you're using this sucker at 90 pounds?
Here's Jerry being an absolute savage and showing me how to use the sandblaster with zero protection. He's built differently. And here's me schmurdering rust for the first time with a sandblaster.
See this?
Yeah.
Like, you almost peel it, but you still see some rust in it. It's not black. When it's black, the rust is dead. So we'll fix the mess you got over here. Where it is.
Got sand in my hands.
And so I got to work removing the rust. From there, we osmoed the area and Jerry primed it. Once that dried, it was time to reinstall the side skirt.
I'll put it on the side skirt and make sure everything will hold. And it goes from there.
Nice. We took a break to take delivery of the next project car, a 2002 Honda Civic Si Ep3, which will be the next DIY restoration project series, so stay tuned for that. Back to the Del Slow, it's time to remove the passenger side skirt.
There. Woo! Jerry.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was letting you know. You need to remove it so you can see it.
Oh,
I saw it before I even removed it.
And yeah, it was a bit of a mess underneath there. I resuited back up and got to work. Just to give you an idea of how messy sandblasting is, that's my WRX in the background. There was sand in the groove before the gasket of my trunk, and it even rained that day. Look at how good it turned out though. We osmoed and primed the passenger side, and Jerry reinstalled the side skirt. On the next episode, we're going to tackle this rusty ass door jamb. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.